guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to bring you guys along as I organise my skincare collection. It's in complete shambles at the moment, just like my makeup collection was. If you haven't watched that video already, I'll link that in a card above or in the description box so you can go check that out. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on if you would like to see more like this. And with that, let's get on with the video. So if you saw my previous video, this is my IKEA setup. I've got all my skincare planned to go in that one, and then all of my makeup I organised in the last video into this one. So this is all still nicely organised, all neat and tidy still. And then I still have some stuff that I'm making content with up here, and then all this skincare stuff has to go in here. So it's going to be the same deal as last time. I'm just going to organise everything into categories on the floor here first, and then they can go into the drawers. I did have these little organisers to put stuff in, but I've also been to Daiso and picked up these containers to help organise. So I've got a few of them, so hopefully I can fit everything in. And for now I'm just going to leave this box as it is, because I know that that's pretty much all just hair care up there. I've just grabbed one of these containers now, and I'm just going to transfer some of this stuff into these containers. that's the end of this skincare organisation video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and comment down below if you'd like to see more like this or different content, and yeah, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, all that jazz, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.